At the opening ceremony, I've been given the honor to perform the official PCB anthem, the PSL anthem. आए सारे के सारे आसमां ज़मीन पे देखो तारे अब खेल के दिखा दे is the official name of the anthem. So me and myself and Sean Paul, we're going to be opening the ceremony tomorrow. Very excited about it, and hoping that a great display shall be put onto the ground tomorrow, not just on the stage as performance, but followed by a great match later on, and then from there the series kicks off. I'm going to be watching most of the matches myself, so here we are. And any questions?
Any questions for Adi? Your relation with cricket?
We got engaged a few weeks ago, and, but I've been an ardent cricket fan since I was a child. Actually, when I was a child, I wanted to be a cricketer, but ended up being a singer, actor, whatever. But so the passion and that cricketer and that sportsman stays inside, and I think it's very surreal how things happen and the manifestation happens. That from there, as a child, wanted to play cricket and all of that, to have come here and have your own team, which is Islamabad United, and to buck them up. But the fact remains that although there are different teams playing, the spirit behind this game is that we're all together in this also. All the teams, because we're all friends, and we're going to have some great cricket. It's going to be very competitive in the ground, though, I'm sure, with all the fantastic batting and bowling and the game and all that. But at the end of the day, it's Pakistan Super League, and we're all in it together.
Ali, आपकी favorite moment in Pakistani cricket history?
Well, one of the favorite moments, or actually the favorite moment, would be the '92 World Cup, when we won the World Cup, and obviously the Sharjah match, Javed Miandad sixer. One match in which Shahid Afridi hit the sixes in the end. There's a match in which Shoaib Malik played a tremendous inning to make us win the 2020. So various matches, and so a lot of memories from cricket.
Ali, you have been through all-rounder in your life. So any all-rounders that you're looking in PSL, who are your favorites?
Favorite all-rounders?
Yes.
I would say, well, Shoaib Malik, Shahid Afridi. Wasim Bhai is a great all-rounder. He's the director and the coach for our team also. And actually, बहुत सारे नाम हैं. So it's a long list of people.
Your favorite international players like James Peterson, Chris Gayle, Shane Watson, these guys have came in.
शेन वॉटसन हमारी टीम में है, तो हाँ, शेन वॉटसन क्या बात है, बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. लेकिन क्रिस गेल obviously is also wonderful, and everybody was.
A bit about the artistic process behind the song Kids in the Car.
Well, the artistic process was very focused. The idea, obviously, behind this was that, as I said before, that all the big stars, the cricket stars, and everybody coming together on this one platform, and hence the lyrics were penned down accordingly. And so I gave the anthem that big chorus. Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, oh, hey, oh, so that everybody can sing. Whoever can speak whatever language, you can just hum along the chorus, and you can play it in your bathroom, in a club, in the ground, in your kitchen, everywhere, and just sing along.
Just before you leave, the last message for the fans. There's only 24 to 28 hours left.
Last message to the fans. We all need you tomorrow in the stadium, because it's a historic event. It's truly historic, because this is the first time that Pakistan Super League is happening tomorrow. अगर काम से थोड़ी जल्दी छुट्टी लेनी है तो लेके प्लीज 6 बजे सब स्टेडियम में पहुंचे, because पार्टी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी 6 बजे. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you, Ali.